is going on YouTube viewers? It's your boy King Cool. Do another outlet video. We're doing something a little different today. I'm actually headed out to Sacramento for a little business trip, so I thought I'd hit up a couple outlets out there. So let's get this trip going. Landed at the airport, so let's go get our rental car and hit the outlet. So we finally made it to the Vacaville outlets, suburb of Sacramento. Let's go check out what we can find. Alright, I just got here my, what is this, Hyundai Accent. Look at this, look at this. What kind of sound is that, man? What the heck? Alright, let's go check out this outlet. Try to get some deals. How this looks. Size 10s, my sizes. Let's see what we got. Oh, first thing, super bronze. Oh, 159. Okay. Good time. Those are sold out. 159. Okay. Air Force One premiums. $90. $90. And with these Air Force One denims. $130. We got all kinds of Air Force Ones here. Look at these. $80. These are suede. Take suede on the front and just regular fabric. The back. Super cool. $80. Look at these. Max Up Tempo 95s. These are cool as hell. Look at that. Sick. Sick. The patent leather. Hit a patent leather there. Buckles right here. These are real nice. $160 though, kind of steep. $160. You got 30% off there. So that's Air Max 95. Looking cool. Okay, they're hitting for 119. 119. Not bad. And then the bigger sizes, they don't really have that much. They got these ISPAs. We have the ISPAs going for $100. Not bad. They do have a lot of running shoes, so Legend React. $60 is pretty legit. These Air Force Utility, super bright Air Force Utility, going for what, $70? Super bright. These Pro Trails, oh, that's a good deal. You use your friends and family, that's a size 14 though, but $90. Friends and family, you get that for real cheap. I'm back in the size 10s, trying to find something. Not finding much. Oh, I have to find 8.5. That's a find up there, the mags. About 14 mags. The black, the black and purple Pro Trails, 110. Not much else, you guys, not much else. Get some foam posits. You're going for retail. They got some feet there. Okay. We got the Laneys, 139. Got all kinds of sizes too. All kinds of sizes. It's everywhere from 9.5 all the way to 12. 8 different colorways of the 312s. Number 2. Another pass. Oh, we pass on this one too. No gracias for that one. Yes, still a nope. Sorry to put you guys through that, but yeah, that's the last one right there. Last one. We passed on that bad boy too. Same as every other place. I got the fadeaway. Got the features. You can pass on that too. Oh yeah, you too. We do got all kinds of slides. Damn, these got me intrigued. These are fucking sick. Mellow, 1.5, 1.5. The Mellow logo. Tumbled leather up top. Kind of knit material. What the hell? Material. Tumbled leather on the back. I'm loving the color, dude. I'm loving the silhouette. Do love the silhouette, but the color, man, the color. It's just so bright orange. Look at that. I think there's 3M along the little dots. I think there's a 3M. It's so sick. Let me try it on.
I haven't seen that shape for any other sport. Baseball is more
Thinking I had to cop these. Thinking on the cop, man. They're probably the brightest shoes I got, but with that price, I think I'm gonna have to cop. All right, let's move on to see what they got about the LeBron 16 Oreos, Soldier 12, a couple of witnesses. Not great, but decent price. Pro Tour ones, another Pro Tour ones, then some fours, Kyrie fours, and some of the team stuff. Lift off, another colorway, the B flies. I don't know why you'd get one of those, but those are there. They're there. Like the 33s. Already saw those a second ago. Yeah, we got, I don't know what colorway this is. Are the ones? Colorway is it the Guava Ice Sail? They're funky. This part, oh, it's not even, oh dang, it's like a, it's all the texture. Now this is, oh, it's dirty as hell, number one, but it's leather down here, then it's like some sort of fabric up top, and then the Nike part is like patent leather, plastic, and some nice leather fiber. I gotta pass on that though. Gotta pass. Flight posits. Go for retail, I guess. I don't know what those are. Burrows. 45 bucks though. Like another foam posit Pro Cup. Another Air Force foam posit. Another Air Force One. I've never seen so many SBs. Crazy. So many SBs. But they're all the Janowskis and I don't even know what this is. Chrono SLR. Solars. No dunks. No dunks. Yeah, dunks. I'd be all about it. Just like every other outlet, they got the ISPAs, the Elements, 55, Mo 55, Hirachis. I swear I've seen all of those at like the last 5 outlets I've been to. They must not have sold for nothing. Mo Hirachis. Some Mo Hirachis. Dad shoes. Some dad shoes. I don't know why guys are into this, but I don't know. But yeah, they're there for you guys, whoever wants them. Don't forget the black one. Zoom 2K. Got the Saturns, every outlet. The old schools. 2017s. Mo 2017s. Some cheaper ones. Mo cheap ones. Some more budget ones. Those. Oh, we back to the 2017s. Some of the other old ones. Okay, now we're talking. 720s. The cheapest I've seen them at the outlets. Some more 720s. More 720s. Last 720s. 720s. They got 4 different colorways. They got the Pegasus. Pretty much like every other outlet, they got the Pegasus. Like every outlet. Did I miss these? These are pretty decent. Have to cop them orange mellows. What y'all think, man? Too bright? Too bright? Tell me what you guys think.